Hello, friends! Today, we're going to learn the names of some yummy fruits. Are you ready? Let's go! This is an apple. Can you say apple?
Apple.
This is a strawberry. Can you say strawberry?
Strawberry.
This is a banana. Can you say banana?
Banana.
This is an orange. Can you say orange?
Orange.
These are grapes. Can you say grapes?
Grapes.
This is a watermelon. Can you say watermelon?
Watermelon.
This is pineapple. Can you say pineapple?
Pineapple.
This is a kiwi. Can you say kiwi?
Kiwi.
This is a pear. Can you say pear?
Pear.
This is a pomegranate. Can you say pomegranate?
Pomegranate.
This is a peach. Can you say peach?
Peach.
This is a melon. Can you say melon?
Melon.
This is a mango. Can you say mango?
Mango.
Great job! See you next time!